Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PCTech. Today we will continue with the Excel exercise practice. I will give you one file about lifting words. The request is for excerpt of the first 5 words of the song. The result like this. We have 3 songs with lyrics like this. You have 2 excerpts of the first 5 words of the song. Now I will show you how I use formula to do it. Okay, I will detail first of all. You download file put in description below. I will use left files and substitute formula to find result. I will detail by use substitute first and left and find formula after. In here I will use substitute. Open parenthesis. This cell or text. I will find words by find and replace space by other subject. In here, substitute will replace space with new text is one object. In here, I will vertical bar. Instant number is 5 because I will excerpt of the first 5 words. Close parenthesis. Enter. As you see, after 5 words, I have a vertical bar object. Highlight and copy to below. Next, I will use left formula. This text number tags. I will use 5 formula and 5 vertical bar and 5 vertical bar. Within this text, start from 1 below. We have a minus 1 to remove object from this text, ampersand, ellipsis. Enter. As you see, I already expressed up the first 5 words. Copy to below. Now I will combine formula to only one. Equal left open parenthesis. This text number tags 5 open parenthesis vertical bar within text substitute open parenthesis. This text or text is spaced. New text vertical bar 5 close parenthesis start 1 close parenthesis minus 1 close parenthesis ampersand ellipsis. Enter. Copy to below. As you see, I finished request. You can refer to my guides to show the request to same request. Okay, if you see my video and this support useful for you, please like video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.